manufacturing certainly is disproportionately impacted by cybersecurity. We know with a degree of certainty, roughly 50% of all of the cyber attacks that are happening in the DIB are due to some sort of foreign ownership, control, and influence. And so that ties into cyber, right? Because while foreign investment certainly is encouraged in some cases, from a business development perspective for US-based companies, there absolutely have to be those right and left delimiters, right? In terms of what that investment from a foreign entity has bought them within a US-based company. And in the manufacturing sector, we see that being absolutely critical. Our adversaries or would-be attackers, nation state or otherwise domestic, what they understand fundamentally is that many of these manufacturing plants and companies, they don't have the infrastructure, they don't have the safeguards, right? Many of these are smaller mom and pop, essentially shops. They're already working on antiquated, in many cases, antiquated systems from an IT perspective or an OT perspective, as it were. That's another thing that nation state actors and even domestic would-be attackers look at. So cyber is always intertwined whenever there's an opportunity to either protect or preserve data or the integrity of that data. That trifecta, the confluence of those really lend to, I think, why there's so many challenges and why the manufacturing sector is, as I say, ripe for the picking, right, for would-be attackers.